What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up people for ClickFunnels with a free book offer. This is a really cool free book offer that you can use to give away to get people signed up either for your mailing list or for ClickFunnels mailing list. So this free book offer is called Marketers, I think it's called Marketers Black Book or Black Book of Marketing Secrets, something like that. Marketing Secrets Black Book. Okay, now this is actually my opt-in page that leads to the opt-in page for the ClickFunnels, the actual book itself. Okay, so you can see it's just very basic right here. Marketing Secrets Black Book, 100 Marketing Secrets that will change your business and your bank account. This is actually a PDF that is something like, I think, 300 pages. It's very well done, very polished, very professional looking. And in my experience, you know, people like that kind of thing. I know, crazy thought, right? So what we're going to do is we're actually going to use Pygambot. And this is a really cool tool that will allow you to contact lots of businesses very fast through their contact page. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to load the campaign in here first. I'm pretty sure it's this one. No, it's not this one, just kidding. It is this one. Okay, so hello, my name is Jack and I run lead generation on steroids. Pretty self-explanatory what we do. Anyway, I'm giving away free copies of Marketing Secrets Black Book, a 300-page guide that explains how one company took their business to $100 million in revenue in just 3 years. You can download it at blah-blah-blah.com, the website. If you have any questions, email me. Okay. Now, let me just check one thing. So basically what this is going to do is it's going to send them to this link, and then if they want to actually sign up, if they want the PDF, they have to sign up for it. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward, very simple stuff. I'm going to run 3 campaigns at once. I'm going to do lists of about 300K each time, and I'm just going to deselect all of these because I don't actually want to scrape for that data. So Elgos Jack again, save, and the final one should be this. Yeah. Load setup, Elgos Jack, boom. Alright, so next thing we need to do is we need to upload the URLs that we're going to use. Okay, so I actually have been doing this for a while. I have massive lists of contact pages. This is a list of 3.3 million, and I'm just at the beginning for this campaign. So we're going to do that one, and these are about 100,000 each per list. However, I've noticed that the success rate is only about 30%. So still, that's pretty good. You can expect to contact about 100,000 businesses today, which is I'm totally cool with that. That's fine. I don't mind. 100,000 is good while I make these videos and do other stuff. Add URL list, post to URL. Should be this one, right? Hope I haven't messed up. Okay, so while we wait for that to load, I just want to show you guys how cool this page is, right? Now let's fill out our email address, right? And I'll take you to the actual page, right? So this is the actual page. Now my idea here, and I could be totally wrong, is that when people fill out that information, it'll take them to this page where their email address will already be there, and they should just click this again. They'll be like, oh, maybe it didn't work. Maybe it just reloaded. Whatever. But that's kind of what I'm banking on, is that they'll click this as well. So that way, not only will they be loaded into my mailing list, and I'll get their contact information, but ClickFunnels will also have their contact information, and because they came through my affiliate link, if they do decide to sign up for ClickFunnels or buy any ClickFunnels products, I will totally get hooked up with that affiliate commission, is what I'm hoping. So let's see if these have loaded. No, still not yet. Maybe the first one has. Nope. Yeah, so I guess it's going to take a few minutes. So, yeah. I mean, that's it. It's pretty straightforward. Like, in my experience, I've found that it's very effective to use a tool like PigonBot to contact lots of businesses, especially if you're selling business-to-business products or services, because I have a friend of mine. He's like pretty successful guy in business. He's got a couple and he's makes, I don't know, a lot of money. And he always says, he's like, people are broke, but businesses have money. And it's true. I'm not going to spend $500 a month on anything, but businesses will spend $5,000 a month on something if they have to. All right, so let's see. I think I'm going to change the subject line because I feel like I've used that too many times. Let's see. How about free 300 plus page guide on growing a business. All right, let's go with that one. So we are going to start that, 21 threads. And that's the same one. Posting tab, boom. Start 21. Now I should get a lot of leads out of this. Today I might get maybe 30 or 40 leads, which is good. Now, you just have to just have to email them. That's the challenging part. All right, so that's it. Now we've got a nice little campaign running. Should contact or try to contact at least 300,000 businesses. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you guys have any questions, comment. Let me know what you think. Like, subscribe. Peace.